Another one for Bunny Shaw. Now, early renovation work that started on the track at the GC Foster College has stalled, and with the continued delays, the project has gone over budget, with the institution calling on the government to assist. Added to that, there could be further delays with the start of the hurricane season less than 2 weeks away. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
A familiar song and cry. The continued delay of the renovation work to the track at GC Foster College that should have gotten underway in January. Initially, getting the material from the wharf was the hold-up. However, now that the material is on site, a team from reggae contracted to do the work has departed the island once again.
The Germans, looking at the projection, the rain projections for the month of May, had made a decision that it would be best to delay rather than surge ahead and possibly create a compromise track when they did the overlaying. So they made a decision to take a break, come back towards the end of June or early July to complete the resurfacing.
Sporting Director at GC Foster College, Chester McCarthy, explains the scope of the work done so far.
So what they actually did was to do all the major cutouts, patched in all of those areas. You would have seen some of those areas from the last interview we would have done. And then they went ahead and completed that D section where the long jump pit is located. So if you should look at the surface now, the long jump area looks brand new.
But with inclement weather likely between the period of June to November, it could mean even more delay.
I'm a little worried about that as it is now, because we are seeing where the rain pattern has now changed. In May, we are not getting much rains right now. We are getting very, very sunny days. And had the team been in the country at this time, 1 week and a half of very good weather has passed us by.
Meanwhile, the delay is causing a significant overrun in the budget. That's approximately $80 million.
The budget that was originally slated for the completion of this project has changed exponentially. And I'm still getting in invoices, the containers, right? I've just gotten an updated invoice for an additional $3,000 odd US dollars that we must pay.
McCarthy is once again making an appeal to the government for help.
What I can tell you, because I've been having the conversation with my principal, we really need some financial assistance, and I'm hoping that the government will find a way to give us some kind of assistance with what we are doing there in terms of the track. This is of major benefit, not just to a GC Foster, but as you know, to the entire Jamaica.
As a result of the closure of the track, the InSport Central Primary Championship meet held earlier this month had to be moved to the National Stadium. Another event, the Police National Athletics Championship, scheduled for May 29 and 30, also has to find a new venue. The track at the GC Foster College, which was first installed in 1998, was relayed in 2015. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.